title. Trying to explain Michael.
Due to overdose?
First off, his doctor killed him. Thank you very much.
You should just said
Has
murder.
it been proven?
Yeah, it has been proven.
Why isn't he in jail?
He is. He's in trial. Go, read the fucking...
Lily,
I don't read the
censor yourself. Facebook video here.
Damn. Listen to the news.
I'm sorry, this is important when it comes to Michael Jackson.
Listen to the news.
If it was big, it'd be on the...
Wait.
There's
hold
been
your
way
phone.
too much media coverage of Michael Jackson.
Thank you. Hold your phone, sir. First off, he killed him of an overdose, okay? He killed him. Get that right. Michael Jackson didn't kill himself, okay?
Well, look.
Well, look what?
Hey, it was Michael Jackson's... I love Michael Jackson.
No, you
I'm not
No, you
saying...
don't.
Hey,
Say your shit. Go ahead.
okay. Michael Jackson was prescribed those pills, but...
It wasn't pills, sweetie.
What was it?
It wasn't pills.
What was it then?
Demerol, Propofol, and something else.
See, I'm not that into this thing, but...
They wanted pills. It was like anesthetic because he has insomnia. And the stupid doctor
But how
gave
did he
him...
take
Did he take the right amount? Hey, did he take the right amount of...
They're supposed to stick it in his arm, like anesthesia.
Okay, I was gonna say.
Okay,
The doctor clicked the thing, and then he went to the bathroom. Click, click. You can't click, click after you done clicked it the first time.
Who clicked it? Did he click it himself?
How the fuck he click it himself?
We don't. How did? Okay. I'm not trying to understand.
Hey, camera. I think it's all a conspiracy.
The Illuminati killed Michael Jackson.
The Illuminati.
He faked his death.
And Tupac.
Tupac is on the island.
Hey, they're all in Africa.
No,
The fuck? No, he not. No, he not.
Tupac
Don't
is
play
in
with him
Haiti.
like
Oh.
that. I don't care what Tupac had. Michael Jackson not.
Hey, what about their body? The body was it shown at the...
No, it wasn't. It was an empty casket.
There you go. There you go.
Too late.
He had a funeral.
If it was an open casket, people could see. They would show his dead body
Like Elvis.
Like
What
Elvis.
you gonna be laying like this
You
for?
never royalty.
What are you laying like this
Royalty.
for?
He's fucking on King of Pop. King of Pop.
I want to be buried like
Royalty.
this.
Fucking
I
royalty.
want to be in the
He's like going. He's like going
That's
down
how
the
real
water
people die.
slide.
I want to be. I
You
want to
talking
be
about a memorial?
mummified.
He had a memorial with Usher and then he had a funeral.
He had a memorial with Usher.
Yeah.
Usher.
Yeah,
Usher
Usher.
right
John
there.
Mayer played Human Nature. It was the best.
No,
thing
John
ever.
Mayer said nigger, so we don't like him.
I forgive. I'm just saying, John Mayer. John Mayer.
John
Played
Mayer kissed
Human
my
Nature,
black
and it was
ass.
amazing.
He
And then
kissed
Jennifer
my
Hudson was
black
on there,
ass.
pregnant as ever, and she sang beautifully. And the Usher, he did
He
good.
sung Gone Too Soon.
He did, but
touched his,
he
you don't
did
even
touch
know
the coffin.
song.
Yeah, I saw. I don't know. He was on the coffin like it was.
He was not on the coffin.
Yes,
he touched it.
No, he leaned
You
on
act like
it.
he was up there dry humping the
Hey,
coffin.
hey, camera. He died over a year ago. Let's remember him. But
God rest his soul.
God rest his soul. Not.
He believed in Jehovah.
Jehovah Jireh, God, same person.
Who believed
Was
in
a
Jehovah?
translation.
Look, that's so cute,
He
isn't
believes in
it?
Jehovah.
Let's go to Happy Things. What would you do? Ooh, that's
Ooh,
glass.
I saved it.
Thank you.
Can you not? What's his name? Safari.
Yeah.
Safari. Can we say?
Can we get back to the funny stuff now?
Oh, go ahead, Lily. Go ahead.
Michael Jackson, go.
I'm done.
Oh, darn.